Hi, Alan here. Let me walk you through everything you can do inside Creator Dash. So let's start with the dashboard. This is your main hub where everything comes together. Your YouTube performance, your revenue streams, your publishing schedule, all of it in one place. Now, if you've used YouTube Studio before, you know how confusing it can be to get a sense of your actual growth. It's great for quick stats, but when it comes to understanding how you're growing financially, it's not enough. YouTube only shows what you're earning through AdSense. It doesn't show anything from sponsorships, affiliate deals, course sales, or anything outside the platform. That's a massive blind spot for most creators. Another thing worth pointing out, YouTube doesn't display data from the last 2 days. That data is still being processed on their side, and that delay can throw you off when you're looking for real-time updates. So in Creator Dash, we make that clear and show you exactly what data is fresh and what's still updating. Now, at the top of the dashboard, you'll see your main analytics cards: total views, total watch time, subscriber count, AdSense revenue, RPM, and memberships. RPM means revenue per mille, which is how much money you're making for every 1,000 views. Ideally, you want this to stay above $3. If it drops, it could be because of low-performing content or changes in your audience. If you've enabled channel memberships on YouTube, we'll show those numbers here as well. Total members, how much you're earning, churn rate, everything. In this case, this user doesn't have memberships enabled yet, so that section's hidden. But once it's on, the data will show automatically. You can also toggle the date range across 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a full year. So whether you want a quick check-in or you're doing a deep performance review, the dashboard adjusts. Then you have your main daily charts. They show you your daily total views, subscriber gains and losses, and AdSense revenue, all tracked day by day. It's similar to YouTube Studio, but way cleaner and more focused. From here, let's go into the YouTube Analytics page. This is where you can see a full overview of all your videos and shorts, organized and filterable. Every video pulls in the official data from your connected YouTube channel, but we display it in a way that's way more useful than the default YouTube Studio layout. You can quickly spot which videos are doing well, which ones are underperforming, and get a sense of how your channel is evolving. Next up is the Finances tab. This is where things get serious. We bring together your YouTube income, your external revenue sources, and any manual entries you want to track, like freelance gigs, product sales, sponsorships, or affiliate payouts. Everything is sorted and totaled, so you know exactly how much you're making, not just from YouTube, but from your whole creator business. If you're tired of digging through Stripe and PayPal exports, this makes your life a whole lot easier. Now let's go over to the Invoice Generator. If you're doing brand deals or selling services, this tool is a lifesaver. Just add the sponsor name, what you're delivering, the price, and any notes, and it'll generate a clean, professional invoice ready to send. It also saves each invoice with its status, so you'll know what's been paid and what's still pending. No more guessing or digging through email threads. Let's head into the calendar. This tool keeps your content timeline in check. You can plan future content, drop in ideas, set reminders, and track deadlines. If you're running multiple series or launches, this keeps everything visual and easy to manage. Now we're in the Content Ideas section. This is your personal idea bank. Dump in title ideas, rough sketches, inspiration, whatever. You can label each one by status: draft, writing, filming, edited, published. It's built for creators who constantly think of ideas but don't always have a system to organize them. Now you do. After that, we've got the Thumbnail Preview tool. This is one of my personal favorites. You upload a thumbnail and instantly see how it'll appear across different YouTube views. Homepage, suggested sidebar, mobile, dark mode. So instead of guessing if your thumbnail pops or blends in, you can test it before going live. You can even A/B test versions manually to see which one draws more attention. And that's the workflow. Everything from big picture insights to the day-to-day tools you need to stay organized, publish consistently, and actually grow like a business. Creator Dash is built to show you the parts of your creator journey that YouTube hides and give you the tools to act on them. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll be there to help.